Hello, this is Gisara Sale, and this is the week 4 sketchbook tour for the measuring assignment. Now, the materials that I used were the sketchbook paper, the H pencil, which for me was the easiest to use. I used the eraser and the ruler. So the first one that I drew was the cube. Now, the cube I struggled with a lot, even though I followed the video. It was hard for me to get the measurements right and all the lines straight and make them pretty even. So that one was definitely one of the hardest for me to do. But overall, I think it turned out okay. But I did have to keep erasing and redoing it again, which I think you could kind of see. Now this one, I think I already got the hang of the method with this one because it was definitely much easier. But I definitely think I struggled right here on top of the vase. I couldn't really get that right. I think it turned out okay overall. The third one that I did, this one wasn't too bad. I followed the video with it to make it easier, and it definitely helped a lot. I did struggle a bit with the handle, and I definitely did have to erase the lines a bit just to get them correct, but I think it turned out pretty good. This one was the first one we did by ourselves, and I definitely had to erase this one quite a lot because it was just hard to get all the measurements right and everything even. So this one was actually pretty difficult from the first since there was no video to follow. This next one wasn't too bad. I definitely struggled more with the circle, just getting it even and making it look circular. That was definitely a bit hard, but overall this wasn't too bad, and I think they turned out pretty good. Now the rest of the squares, these were okay. I definitely struggled more with the cylinder since we had already done the square, the circle, and the pyramid right here. But the cylinder, I think it could have turned out much better. I do feel like the top, I could have worked on it more. I feel like it doesn't look very 3D, but I think it turned out okay. Thank you.